All right, Nate's below the ball. They got a zone squeeze. We should have a triangle around their players. Hayden, you're running away from the ball. Here. Ibra. Here, halfway between these two players. Or back here, halfway between these two players. Stop watching the ball. Look here, measure. Look here, step here, measure. If one of the players moves the ball, you can also step to where they used to be. So you could step back here. Nate, it's obvious, Nate. He's here. He's wide open. This dude's in the press trap. Ibra, you should be here. Again, you should be back here, up here, or here. Or where this guy's vacating, running hard to here. Or where this guy's vacating, running hard to here. You're just hanging out because you're looking at the ball. You're just hanging out in open space. Stop standing in the press trap. Step to the ball. Step this way between these two. Step that way. Step this way away. Step this way towards. Step to anybody who's vacating a tile. Step here or step there. Step here, here. Anywhere but where you are looking at the ball.